2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, gasoline electric hybrid, rain sensing wipers. Find your dream car and drive it home today.